Let's explore the distinctions between rein, rein, and rein. Rein. This term relates to the straps used to guide a horse or the action of controlling. For instance, she pulled on the reins to slow the horse down, or the team leader decided to rein in the ambitious project plan. Rain. This word pertains to weather phenomena, specifically precipitation. For example, the rain was heavy yesterday, or it is going to rain this afternoon. Reign. This refers to the duration of a monarch's rule. For example, the reign of Queen Elizabeth II has been remarkable. Or, the king reigned over his kingdom for 50 years. Now, test your knowledge with a quiz.